Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, we have a partnership with Webull where when you use our link and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. I use Webull right here. It's a stock trading app and I use it to buy and sell stocks and crypto. It's a really awesome app. It's called Webull. We have a link below. It's a legit partnership where literally all you have to do is make a deposit of at least 1 cent and they're gonna send you 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. So use our link below for Webull and let's get started with the video. All right, you wanna read this next video topic?
Yeah. More people can now book party buses on Uber.
So
That's crazy.
yeah. So now, guys, if you want to go out to the bar or the club with your friends, you don't gotta order a normal car. You can now get a freaking party bus.
That's really smart because like a lot of frats and sororities will have events or formals and they usually get party buses like to go in groups on the way to the event.
Oh, for sure, yeah. And if you have freaking, what, 20 people, whatever, like everyone pitches in a little bit, like.
Yeah.
But yeah, for frats and stuff, for sure. For sure. Yeah. Because I've even been at like frat parties or whatever, or like at the clubs, and we're waiting on party buses for an hour to get there.
Oh.
Because they're like far away or whatever. Or they're finishing up another party or whatever. So if you can just get one real quick, might as well.
Yeah.
So look at this. Looks like it's a mini bus, yeah. So you want to read, oh gosh, let me zoom in. You read that?
Yeah. Uber is partnering with travel booking firm Viator and restaurant reservation company OpenTable so consumers can book more experiences on its core app. The partnerships are part of the broader expansion of ride and delivery features announced Monday that are framed around making the holiday season more convenient.
So
the
guys,
what?
Would you take a Uber party bus, or would you consider driving as an Uber party bus driver?
Then, okay, I understand. Would you have to rent the bus to be the driver, or do you have to already have a bus?
So you would have to, looks like, sign up with Viator. So what is OpenTable? OpenTable is like Yelp.
It's an app where you make like reservations at restaurants.
So how is that for a party bus?
I don't know.
Maybe they do party bus now. I don't know. They always have side businesses, but so yeah, I guess you would have to. It sounds like, well, Viator is like a travel booking firm. So yeah, I don't know how you would become the driver.
Yeah, I don't know.
So Uber's expanding its charter service to a number. Yeah, Uber Travel. The feature launched early this year that lets users link their reservation confirmation from email. I don't know. That'd be fun though to be an Uber party bus driver. I would love that. I'd make so many friends too. Like if you want to make friends, like I feel like driving Uber is like a great way to meet a lot of people very fast.
Yeah.
Like it's not a bad way to meet people for sure. Like
yeah.
Just don't try to literally like ask them out on a date, but like if you like meet somebody cool, like I've met people driving Uber, like I even one time had this like group of people like ask me to go to the bars with them. And honestly, they seemed pretty fun, but I was working and I was like, no, I'm good. But like honestly, I probably would have been friends with them if like Yeah, I mean, anyways. But like, there are a lot of nice passengers for sure. So anyways, we'll make more update. Maybe we'll make an update video on like how to actually become a driver for this. And maybe we'll do like a vlog where like Izzy signs up to be the driver.
I feel like, don't you need like a different kind of license to drive buses and trucks and stuff?
Probably, yeah. Yeah, because they're freaking huge.
That's crazy. Imagine you make $1,000. Okay, probably not $1,000. You probably make like $500, $600 from doing that.
For real, imagine you're doing that every day. You're making like 1,000, like do a few rides a day, make $1,000.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. And again, when you use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Webull is an awesome stock trading app that I personally use to buy and sell stocks. So use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, and they're gonna send you all the way up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.